But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got Ben here today, and I got the T-ravis merch on. We got the shirt. It's on the back too, and I got it on the hat. So at 1,000 subscribers, I'll drop the merch. But there's a big video about to happen today, and me and Ben are about to kick it off with some mini bike riding.
Okay.
You want to get the BMX?
Bet.
We're gonna get the BMX and the mini BMX. We're gonna get some clips.
What's the password?
And tonight a bunch of people are gonna be coming here to ride, which is gonna be fun because it's a lacrosse wrap up.
I got
Okay, so a lot of you are probably thinking, why am I wearing knee pads?
You can't tell you're wearing knee pads, by the way.
Pardon?
I mean, sorta. No.
There is knee
Now
pads,
you
and
can.
I'm wearing gloves because I'm about to go hardcore on the mini bike. I kind of hurt myself from last ride session. Remember when I was doing the quarter bike stuff?
Yeah.
I had a lot of bruises from that on my hip, back, butt,
It's kind of funny.
shoulder. It's not funny.
I mean, it
I'm
was.
kidding. It was. So I'm gonna go down there, try to get my redemption. Probably gonna die again, but we'll just give it a shot because I can give it full commitment now.
Yep. Oh! Nice. Steez. Oh yeah, he was right. Oh wow! Actually, you can.
Hit that?
I think you can hit that, dude. You got a lot of speed.
Fine. That is possible.
And it's so easy to bail out of too.
Yeah.
Max.
No.
Oh, man, I wish I got that on camera.
You did it?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think that's possible.
You're getting there.
Oh, that was the closest one. Oh, closer.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
You got that. Oh!
Oh, close!
Have you seen one of those
Oh, this is it.
Oh!
Yeah!
Yes! Okay, so history has been made. The mini bike does not sound the mintest after that. That was, I wasn't that nervous. I just had that vibe in me that I wasn't gonna make it. And on that bike, that is scary. And here I'll show you guys again. I'm gonna show them how big T-ravis really is. I don't know, but to me that's a pretty big jump to do on a mini bike. So.
Okay when you did that.
You didn't think I was gonna land it?
Hey, I mean, I kind of made you hit it because I said you wouldn't jump off this and then you went super fast off that.
Yeah.
So really, it's all my doing.
Okay.
I mean, would you had the idea?
Yes, I would have had. Well, I've always had the idea. I just never thought I'd do it. So I'm gonna try long haul now, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to link the whole line today, but it will happen. If I can make it through, that'd be sick.
Oh my! Oh, what? What? Oh, dude, you got that!
I do.
Oh, he's crazy! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh! No way!
Here goes Dylan. Oh yeah, Dill. Oh yeah.
That was fair. Oh, nice.
Time to link the whole line.
Oh my!
Yes!
Oh! Oh, he's still going. Nice! Come on, Travis.
I think he's
Nice.
terminated pool jump.
Okay, guys, I gotta be able to run.
Slay queen! Yeah! Okay. Slay queen. Oh my god.
You got this.
Yes! Come on, Ray!
Oh! Oh! Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's like
You go, girl. Dude!
Go foot!
Oh, keep it going. Keep it going.
nice.
Okay, so I think that's the best thing that's ever been done in the track, to be honest. I mean, that was crazy. I never thought, like the other day I was thinking about this when Ben was over when I was doing the quarter pipe crashes and stuff. I was like, no, there's no way. There's no way I can like it out, but I did. Ripped my pants. Holy crap, dude.
Get a close up of those pants. There's the bar.
Destroyed. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Whoa, you stuck.